Top 5 YouTube Video Ideas for Businesses, Part 1. An estimated 300 hours of video are uploaded to YouTube every minute. Which is why you'll need to be highly creative to make your business stand out. Amazing YouTube Video Ideas. Part 1. 1. Behind the scenes, ugly drinks. How your business operates is a great way to build more views and engagement. Taking them behind the scenes with a privileged tour of the inner workings of your business will reveal your brand's relatable human side, which in turn encourages your audience to become more invested in your offer. Even if you're a small team that relies on remote working and coffee shop meetups, like ugly drinks, you can still provide a fascinating inside view of how your business operates too. Recruitment Video, SAP. Are you searching for an agile, value-added candidate who can reach out to your clients? No? Good. Instead, why not park the business jargon in favor of an inspirational recruitment video that really illustrates your business core values? A great recruitment video can even tackle big issues like gender equality. Business software giants, SAP, used an animated recruitment video to great effect in their efforts to position their workplace as somewhere that actively encourages women to aim higher. You could use this type of YouTube idea to influence your own recruitment campaigns. 3. Company Culture, HubSpot. Make a video that highlights your company's culture. Unpacking your business goals, values and reason for being is a great way to demonstrate what makes your organization tick. Your video doesn't have to be stuffy or overly corporate either. Digital marketing gurus, HubSpot, absolutely nailed this idea with their kitsch, 80s-inspired company culture video. This semi-animated video pokes just the right amount of fun at themselves, whilst still accentuating their professionalism, a textbook example of a work hard, play hard company culture. 4. Meet the Team, Olympus Group. Giving your audience a glimpse of the faces and personalities of those responsible for creating your products or delivering your services is a great way to foster a stronger personal connection with your customers. It's captivating to see how a diverse workforce can pull together for a common cause. More often than not, your personnel can become your company's most vocal mascots. Or they can be your mascots and make them in Olympus Group's case. You get the picture. 5. Product Showcase Nest. A product video is an excellent YouTube video idea for businesses planning. Our research shows that 81% of people have been swayed to buy a product or service after watching a brand's video. Nest develops smart, connected home devices that are designed to simplify everyday activities, like controlling your thermostat. It stands to reason then that they'd produce an elegantly simple animated explainer video to demonstrate the benefits of their smart home concept. Keeping it simple like this is a great place to start when showcasing your own product. Some interesting sources in the description. Check it right now to learn proven YouTube SEO secrets and how to rank YouTube videos to top. Final thoughts. There are countless YouTube video ideas that you can leverage to get your business noticed. All you need is the spark of an idea and either the hands-on skills to do it yourself or the support of creative collaborators to develop eye-catching and memorable live-action or animated explainer videos, and the YouTube world is your oyster. Thanks for watching.